Hi, my name is Luísa Pohren, and with my classmate Thais Regina Ensweiler, we developed the project Easy Pool. There is equipment to help people with motor difficulties to access the pool, and we are from Brazil. The idea of the project arose when my classmate had a knee surgery, and in the summer she couldn't access the pool without other two people help. As the same way, when we visited Inclusion and Accessibility Association, we identified that the same problems affect more people, and also some of them stop the hydrotherapy classes. The lack of secure access in the swimming pools is a problem that hits a lot of people, like elderly, obese, people with physical disabilities, and temporary restrictions. The publics are mostly dependent and needs other people helps, and who assist in access can suffer musculoskeletal problems, and also accidents to the patient and physical therapy may also occur during this process. We start our project monitoring the hydrotherapy in an Inclusion and Accessibility Association. After that, we had a meeting with a physiotherapist and studied the existing equipment in this field. Then, the essential characteristics for our equipment were defined, which were required by the professional. So, we start to register our ideas until reaching the final, which comprise with our goal. After sizing, we built the prototype. The process used were mainly oxyfuel in the machine center, cutting and bending, lathe and welding. The operation starts with the user in the equipment in a sitting position with a safety belt. The caregiver takes the easy pool to the edge of the pool, fixes it means of the hook. After moving the mobile part of the equipment on the rails, turn the crank that will control the gearbox, promoting the rotation of the arms, and the persons access the pool. For the return, the procedure will be the same, but in the reverse order. Beyond access, it can move the user for the locker room, avoid waiting in the imaging user's wheelchair. So, the equipment that we develop and build is similar to a wheelchair, making it accessible for everyone, everywhere. In addition to access the pool, the Easy Pool comprises the entire process. As it's not a fixed equipment, it allows the user to go to the edge of the pool, avoiding demanding his chair for daily use. This promotes the inclusion of people who stops to use the pool, who stops going to hydrotherapy due to difficulties and risks. So, the objective of designing a practical and safe equipment that allows the access to the existing swimming pools standard were achieved and proved through simulation, interviews, as well as tests. For the equipment evaluation, we realized interviews with professional, simulation and KAI software and tests, which validate the research, confirming the operation, its relevance, the impact on the society, and due to its design is similar to a wheelchair, it comprised the entire process, from the travel for the pool and also the access to it. We are also working on improvement adaptation. There is the inclusion of an electric glass motor in the crank location. So the equipment has two possibilities of activation, with a crank and with a motor. The first option reduces cost, and the second simplifies tools and increases to the user autonomy, being able to be controlled by itself depending of the people limitation. So, it is concluded that even reaching the initial research objectives, there are still points that can and will be improved in the continuum of the project, making Easy Pool an equipment that helps people in the best way possible when accessing the swimming pool.